Hello and welcome, croeso, to the Ballet Cymru online tutorials. Before we start, please read our disclaimer, which is on all our platforms. Make sure you've got space, make sure you wear comfortable clothing, and for Pilates, which is what we're going to do today, please have bare feet. So, I'm Patricia Vallis. I run the pre-professional program. There's more information on that on our website, welshballet.co.uk. So if you've started with the first tutorial, you can progress on to this one. So it's very important to do the warm-up and the first exercise. So today we're going to work on knee folds, knee bends. They call them differently in different countries. And the point of this is to maintain your spine, neutral spine position, using your core and the breath while the legs move. So the legs will be at a right angle and they are moving away from your center and back, and that you have to keep the shape of the leg in the tabletop position at the same time as you maintain a neutral spine, which we talked about, where you have the little space under your lower back. So we're going to go on the floor, laying on our backs. And if you want something under the back of your head, that's fine. If not, just have a mat, though. You must have a mat or a towel. So remember that little space under the lower back, the wide collarbone, shoulders gliding down the back. And we're going to go through various levels of this exercise. So the easiest one is just lifting one leg up and down, and whenever you move the leg, you breathe out. So we breathe in for nothing through the nose, expanding, breathe out, engage, in and up, lift the leg to a tabletop position, breathe in, breathe out, and the whole time we're maintaining the neutral spine. Other side, breathe in, breathe out, engage, so you stabilize, breathe in, breathe out. Another variant on this exercise is you can take one leg up, the other, and one leg down and the other. So that would be breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now the going down is a lot harder than going up. So we're going to do that again, the easier and the medium version. Breathe in, breathe out, in and out. Feel the core engaging. Breathe in, breathe out, maintaining that right angle. Breathe in, here we engage, keep the neutral spine. The medium version, breathe in, breathe out, out, breathe in, breathe out. The most difficult version, you start at your tabletop position. So we breathe out to get that. Breathe out. Now you're going to be moving the one leg. Breathe out, tapping the toes and maintaining, engaging, and lift. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. So we're going to try and avoid letting the back arch here. Coming back. Breathe out, breathe in. One step further, both legs moving away. Breathe out, maintain, engage. Lift, breathe in. The whole time you're relaxed, like you're on a beach in Brazil. Breathe out, breathe in. You could do 4 of these. Lift, breathe in, breathe out, hold it. Even further is a flexion. So you have to tap the heel, which means you go a little bit further. Breathe in, breathe out, lift, breathe in, breathe out. You could do 8 of those. 4, both legs together. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relaxing here at the top, long back of the neck. Engaged, stable pelvic alignment. There's another variant on this, is turning out. You'll feel different muscles in your core engaging. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And in. If you feel back pain, don't go all the way to the floor. Turning in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Keep the neck long, shoulders in the floor. And in. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Next time we will work on single leg stretches. Bye bye.